Welcome to today's lesson. To start off, let's head to the canteen. I want you to pick out some food for me. On the menu today, there are 3 types of fruit and 2 types of cake, but they seem to be scattered all over the place. Can you find them for me? Why did the students eat their homework? Because the teacher said that it was a piece of cake. I once went to the doctor, and told him that every time I eat cake I get heartburn. He told me to take off the candles. Pineapple. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? A cherry. What did the cherry say to the blueberry? Hey, why so blue? Well done, you found an apple. What did the apple say to the apple pie? You've got some crust. If I can pick one item to eat, how many food choices do I have? Well done. There are 5 choices available to me, and I must choose one. In terms of sets, let's think about choosing the piece of food. We can say we had 2 sets, set A, cakes, and set B, fruits. The 2 sets, cakes and fruit, are disjoint, they have no elements in common, so, let's say we add the 2 sets together. This is called a union. The number of elements in this new set is equal to the sum of the elements in both sets. When you found food for me to eat, you were choosing an element from the union of set A and set B. This is the addition principle. So if we had a set Y, A, B, C, D and set Z had X, Y. How many options do we have if we can only pick one element? Excellent. Okay, let's head to a shop for the next example. So, in the shop they have 3 different types of hats, and 2 types of glasses. Let's see how many possible choices there are. How many possible combinations of one hat and one pair of glasses were there? Well done. Each hat could be combined with a pair of glasses in 2 ways. We had 3 hats from which to choose, so, let's think about the hats and glasses in terms of sets. We have a set of hats, H, and a set of glasses, G. If you put the 2 sets together, combining them, you create a new set called the Cartesian product. The Cartesian product is written as HXG. The hats and glasses in HXG are called ordered pairs. You created ordered pairs when you sorted the hats and glasses. There is a faster way to find out how many pairs we could have created though, the multiplication principle. The multiplication principle states that if you have multiple sets of objects, you can find the total number of objects by multiplying the number of objects. I know that may seem simple now, but the more options there are, the greater the number will be. So let's say we have 5 hats and 4 pairs of glasses. How many options do we have? Excellent. Alright, let's go to the next stop. Okay, let's make pizza. Our goal is to create pizza with 3 ingredients. Please choose the toppings. Nice choice. Almost done. Yum, smells good. So, how many different combinations of 3 toppings can I choose, if I can only pick one from each list? Do you want me to explain why 18 is the correct answer? There were 3 choices for the first topping, 3 for the second, and 2 for the third. So, it's 3x3x2, which is 18. Alright, let's go back to the classroom. It's time I introduced you to the factorial function, which is represented by n. Say I wanted to multiply 5 numbers, 1 to 5. How would you write that down? 5x, 4x, 3x, 2x, 1. But, what if I wanted to multiply the first 10,000 numbers? It would take a very long time to write that down. This is where the factorial function comes in. So, the first 5 numbers would be written as 5. The first 10,000 numbers would be